going on, Bam Fam? I'm headed back up to BlackJack Harley-Davidson today. I've got the bike in the back. I've got the bike in the back. Bam, bam. So I am having a swing arm issue.
What? Oh no!
The swing arm is getting bound up. I'll insert the clip here of me trying to locate the problem, isolate the problem rather, see if it's the swing arm or if it was the rear shock. That's not normal. Shouldn't be normal anyway. Why is it that difficult? Just sticks. Definitely the swing arm. So, headed up to BlackJack Harley-Davidson, and I guess we'll see you when we get there. Alright guys, up here at BlackJack. There's Dan. There's Dan. Come see him about all these new 21s they got in stock. And they're getting a lot more by this Saturday, so come on down. Make sure you let Dan know that Bam Bam sent you. I am in no way, shape, or form sponsored by BlackJack Harley-Davidson. They don't do anything for me, give me any special anything, but I do absolutely love that dealership. They have done more for me and Lippy and a whole lot of other people than any other dealership that I've been to. So that's why I am always going to them. And that's why I'm always trying to send people to them, because the people there are top notch. Dan especially, that dude, he's gone above and beyond for so many people. He delivered a motorcycle to somebody all the way down in Florida. He made a 1,200 mile trip, round trip, to deliver motorcycles. So that dude will go above and beyond to hook you up with what you want and what you need. So that is why I do business there, and that is why I so willingly send people there. Just wanted to pop in here real quick, let y'all know that there's a bunch of updates coming. I have quite a few videos that I want to get out, but I've been going through some life changes. So more to come on the channel. The bike is currently in the shop. I'll post a picture up right here, show y'all its current status. I have the tank and the front fender off for paint, and I have the wheels off for powder coat at the moment. So can't wait to get that bad boy put back together, and can't wait to do a video on that, revealing that. That's gonna be a good one. Also, I'm gonna be doing a little bit different videos coming up. I'm gonna be doing a little bit of mental health type videos. That's always something that I felt pretty strongly about. The way I grew up just kind of led me down that path, and the things I've been going through recently have also been kind of reminding me that not only do we need to stay fit and healthy, but we also need to keep our mental state ready to go at all times. So gonna be doing a little bit of digging into that, do a little bit of videos in that. I actually just left the gym, getting my Saturday workout on, so feeling pretty good right now. Just can't wait to get back to doing these videos. I've been I've been feeling super guilty not getting videos out to you guys, so I apologize for that. But like I said, I've had a bunch of stuff going on, so more to come on all of that. But anyway, I'm going to get out of here, start editing some of the video clips that I have together to get a short little video out to you guys. It may or may not make sense. I'm going to try and make it roll as good as possible, but stay tuned for the bike reveal, and I will catch you guys in the next one.